In my previous video, I have given you some useful tips to understand how to start your ML journey. Now the next step is to find out some relative industrial examples of machine learning models. What is machine learning? A refresher. Machine learning, ML, is the process of training computers using math and statistical processes to find and recognize patterns in data. After patterns are found, ML generates and updates training models to make increasingly accurate predictions and inferences about future outcomes based on historical and new data. For example, ML could help determine the likelihood of a customer purchasing a particular product based on previous purchases by the user or the product's past sales history. What are some examples of machine learning being used today in various industries like healthcare, trucking, rideshare, manufacturing, finance, and energy? Machine learning can be found in about 77% of the devices we use. For example, ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft use data to lower wait times, predict demand, and optimize price setting. Online shopping sites use ML to customize search results and improve product recommendations. Financial institutions use AI to recognize content on mobile check deposits. Credit or debit card transaction businesses use ML to scan for fraud. Research suggests that more than 8 billion digital voice assistants will be powered by AI and ML over the next few years. A giant company, Amazon, using its own product of ML in their e-commerce business. Amazon uses browsing and purchasing data to provide tailored product recommendations and promotions. Amazon uses ML to facilitate billions of voice interactions per week with Alexa devices using natural language processing (NLP). Amazon uses ML to ship 1.6 M packages per day. AWS offers a broad, deep set of machine learning services and supporting cloud infrastructure, putting ML in the hands of every developer, data scientist, and expert practitioner with their smart ML services like Amazon Forecast, Amazon Fraud Detector, Amazon Personalize, Amazon Poly, Amazon Transcribe, and last but not the least, Amazon SageMaker to develop high-quality models on stream datasets. What other industries are using machine learning? Industrial companies use AI and ML services for asset management. This includes using computer vision for equipment monitoring and defect detection, or analyzing operational machine behavior data to enable predictive maintenance. Customer service organizations use ML to transcribe and analyze live and archived calls for sentiment scores. ML can also help prioritize based on categorized customer feedback and enable software to provide agents with answers to questions as they are being asked. 48% of executives at US companies surveyed report they see AI as a path to growing revenue and set profits. For Cerner, predictive models can accelerate research and discovery of new drugs and treatments. Nurses supported by AI tools increase productivity up to 50%, McKinsey Global Institute, 2017. For Georgia Pacific, in the retail industry, AI-based demand forecasting reduced errors by 30 to 50%, decreasing lost sales by 65%, McKinsey Global Institute, 2017. Automation is making supply chain management more efficient. How does the NFL use machine learning? AWS helps the NFL to leverage the power of its data through sophisticated analytics and ML. The NFL uses training data from traditional box score statistics. The NFL also uses data collected from the stadium to create new stats, improve player health and safety, and provide a better experience for fans, players, and teams, all in real time. ML models built on the Next-Gen Stats (NGS) platform ingest the data. This continually trains and refines the models to help boost accuracy, speed, and insights while reducing the time to get results. NFL Next-Gen Stats. The NFL uses machine learning and data analytics services to boost the accuracy, speed, and insights provided by its NGS platform. How can machine learning help me? Machine learning can continuously improve results, which means training models can become a part of almost any decision-making process. Machine learning can ingest limitless amounts of data, produce timely analysis and assessment, identify trends and patterns, and generate predictive forecasts. The use of machine learning in the future of business and technology is virtually boundless. ML can become an automated part of software engineering by implementing algorithms in low or no-code development environments. ML can also become a catalyst for quantum computing by increasing data processing speeds or rapidly accelerating model training. Where and how substantial AI value is realized? 70% of business execs believe AI will be the business advantage of the future. Some complex business decisions are still being made without much use of AI, but that may soon change. AI analysis has much to offer M&A. For example, potentially automating parts of due diligence, predicting likely regulatory responses, and projecting a combined company's results under various conditions. Opportunities for AI to support ESG, environmental, social, and governance decisions also abound. An estimate of an investment's carbon footprint may be far more accurate. For example, if AI models project future energy supplies, weather patterns, and second-order impacts on your supply chain. Confidence rising, ability to assess and predict AI's ROI. Companies are now increasingly able to answer these and other questions thanks to new assessment methods. These can capture not just hard returns, such as increased productivity, and hard costs, such as new hardware spending. They can also capture soft returns, such as an improved employee experience, and soft costs, such as increased demands on subject matter specialists' time. The holistic approach to AI, by fostering scale, shared insights, and shared leading practices, also makes it easier to predict the ROI of new initiatives. As you work to measure and increase AI's ROI, you may also be able to take advantage of AI itself. Its simulations can model the uncertainties that surround other AI initiatives, helping to better allocate resources. Key takeaway: what companies can do. Do more with less with AI. The highest value use of AI in the labor market today is to help people to do better work, reducing the pressure to fill hard-to-fill positions. That's true both for routine tasks, which AI-backed automation can perform to save employees time, and for advanced, AI-specific roles. AI can, for example, often conduct even sophisticated data science tasks, helping compensate for the shortage of data scientists. Make employees happier. By reducing the need for rote work, AI can make employees' work life easier and more engaging. By giving them the opportunity and training to work with cutting-edge AI, you can help increase the value you're providing them, as well as the value they can give you. AI can even help provide emotional support in the workplace, fighting productivity loss and burnout. Invest in data-driven people. The fastest way to address the AI talent shortage is most often to take specialists who have some of the skills you need, then provide the rest. Consider teaching computer scientists data scientists software engineering, statisticians AI-relevant data science, and business leaders a little of all of these fields. Besides filling talent gaps, this approach can enhance cooperation among the groups that AI requires. If you have come so far and your answer is yes, I am convinced enough that ML journey seems promising and you want to invest yourself, your team and company initiative into ML initiative, then you need to stay tuned to my next video where I am going to explain ML techniques, its terms and methods in detail. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you have learned something new today. And I will see you in the next one.